So I do think Tesla is something that everyone should possibly invest in if you're a little bit risky. And I think people get it wrong that Tesla is an automotive company when in fact I look at it more of as a technology company because of its software with its self-driving vehicles. Yeah, their cars are pretty dang cool, but the electricity and its Elon Musk's other ventures when it comes to Neuralink and Solar City, yeah, they're derivatives of Elon Musk's different companies. SpaceX, Tesla's the only one that's really publicly traded. And for that reason, that's why I kind of feel that Tesla is going to make big leaps and bounds. And we had a all-time high of around $400 back in October of 21. We had a low here recently in around Christmas of around $100, and we just had a higher low, which is good news for the market at 154. These are the weekly candles. Okay, so every one of these is a weekly. So right now we're somewhat in an uptrend. Like I said, just because here's a low, here's a higher low, things are looking good. We'll probably see some resistance here right around the $200 mark. That's just where we have it because right now we're sort of seeing it at 180 back here where I've got this teal line going here. But I do believe with Cathie Wood's investment talking about it being $2,000 because of...
And so we think that well, the price target for our stock, and I think it's just hitting now for 2027, because we do have a 5-year investment time horizon.
She's talking about the robo fleet.
Our expected value is roughly $2,000, and that's within a range of 1,400 to 2,500 units, because each one of them now represents the potential for a robo-taxi and a robo-taxi fleet. Now, Elon says it's possible that he could launch that fleet this year. We think it's more like last year. But the robo-taxi fleet is really going to be, or the robo-taxi service is going to be, from a margin point of view, more like a SaaS business.
And what she means by that is software as a service. It's a play on words that cloud computing uses all the time. I've got a little degree in cloud computing, and it's interesting, software as a service, etc., hardware as a service. They have all these different deals. But I digress some more. That's where I think that this guy's really going to explode. And if I'm being transparent, I've fairly betted somewhat big on it. I've got like 11 grand in Tesla myself. My cost basis was around $6,000. This isn't a huge account, but I just want to show you. This is my biggest single brokerage account. I've got many different smaller brokerage accounts, but this is the biggest one where I've got 75 companies in here, and my third largest one is Tesla. The first one is Apple. You can see I'm up 75% on the deal, which is great. Coinbase, betting big on Coinbase. I'm down 40%. Cost basis was around 8. I've got 5 in there. I love Toyota, etc. But these are just some of my deals. I love M1. I absolutely freaking love M1. This isn't a sponsored video, but I do have a link in there if you want an extra couple $100 if you use M1. They just make it so freaking easy. And yeah, I'm more of a crypto guy, but man, I love stocks too. Absolutely love stocks. Smaller accounts in stocks because they just don't move as fast, but man, they're really cool. So I am bidding big on Tesla, and I always have, and I will continue to try to add more to this when I can, because some of my other accounts, a little bit too much on me, I've been living off of because inflation, it's crazy. But if you look at all the opportunities, this is where a lot of people end up making a lot of money, is when markets are down, people don't have money to invest, and they also don't want to invest because they think they're going to lose more. But in reality, this is where you make the most amount of gains, is when markets crash. Right? When markets crash, nobody wants to be in here in a stagnant deal, and then they start going boom, 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 boom up. And that's where you make a considerable amount of gains, right? There's 1,000% gain in Tesla from $20 to $300. And now we've already seen a little bit of a gain of about 82% here. But if we look at the price target that even Kathy was talking about of $2,500, that's a 1,200% increase, right? That is a good return on investment. Anybody would say that. The stochastics on the weekly is saying that we're entering more of an uptrend. This is a buy signal on one of the indicators. You don't always just go off one indicator, but from an investment standpoint, man, if I had some extra money, another 10 grand or so, it'd be going into Tesla. And that's not financial advice. That's just what I am doing. But this is Johnny Crypto. I'll continue to let you guys know what I do and how I invest. And if you like seeing some more information, just let me know in the comments below. Till next time, I'm here to help you guys make some money.